myself. Hi, we're happy to be here. It's a beautiful sunny day in Indiana, and we've been working on, we have a class coming up, and we took the items from the class and created some different things. Like when we put together the class to send to you guys, these projects that you're going to see are probably not going to be a part of the class. This is just some of the bonus items because we wanted to see...
We wanted to show you what the sets were.
Well, and how easy they were to work with. It's raining in Lafayette.
If you're having a good stamping day, I'm just saying.
I hate that it's raining in Lafayette.
Like,
it's supposed
this morning, my husband told me that we didn't need to water because it was going to rain all day. And it has not rained yet, and it is now, I don't know, what time is it? 2:45.
No, we're only 45 minutes behind, but we are stamping, so it was well worth it. So, we have some projects to show you, but I wanted to show you one thing. You know that we love to dye our ribbon. We've done that for
a couple of years.
But then we did it before then, you know, because we had so limited color selection.
Yeah, it's been 2 or 3 years.
Yeah. So this is...
I love this. This is
really this is the Flowers for Every Season, and it's white. Only it's not because I put a little...
Oh, can't see it.
Madness in it. And then when I took it out of the jar and laid it on a towel to dry, the way I laid it made it look a little ombre. So don't be afraid to dye your ribbons.
Very pretty.
I actually like the way it took.
I do too.
I do too.
But it'll be hard for when I make a bow for you to see all the different colors. I don't know.
Maybe
Maybe
make
not.
a big bow.
Yeah.
A
well, there you
big
go.
goofy bow.
I like big bows.
I know.
like
and I
big
cannot lie. This may work really well for that granddaughter I've got coming in about 6 weeks.
Cute.
So we have lots of new things to show you because we've all been stampy.
Oh, we have. Yeah.
Did you bring yours over?
I did. Mine are over
Who's
here.
going to go first?
Go first.
I'll go first. Okay, so I had camp, like for real life people in my house camp. So I'll show you some of the camp projects that we did first. So
Sorry, guys. Adjusting.
Here's this one.
I liked it better the other way.
This is a sunflower card that they colored with blends, and then this way we colored the top and the bottom with blends, and then we flipped the top piece upside down and colored black on the back because it kind of seeps through a little bit, and it gives the other side just a hint of black, which is kind of nice. And then it has embellishments of, I don't know, touch of texture, taste of texture, textile something of good taste. I don't know.
Textile texture?
Yeah, something. The wood pieces from that. And it's got the background from Ornate Garden. So lots of fun pieces on that. And then I'd been making so many videos, but they all kind of took a long time. So I did a couple of the cards and then I simplified them. But they don't really look a lot simpler. But there was no way that they could make all of the more time-consuming cards at camp because we do 6. So this one, literally just stamp and then die cut. And it was really fast. So that was a pretty one. And then this one, they could not color.
This is really
if you
cute.
go to classes, you know you can't spend time coloring 2 color-intensive cutout cards. So because they were doing the sunflower card, we couldn't color and cut these out. So this one, we just opted to let the paper be the flower and then just had the cute little mason jar. And it is the 3D mason thing. And then we did the goats, which are super cute. And we used the water painters, which are going to be one of my new favorite things. I've used them a ton already. So we did that. And then we did do a couple that you've seen already.
Did you show them the inside of this one?
Probably not.
Isn't that cute?
Mm-hmm.
It's the pop out of the
punch.
And we have to show them the inside of this one. Because this one says...
You got it. This one says... What does it say? Happy birthday, you old goat. I got you cake, but I ate it.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I love that one. It's so much fun.
This is a cute one.
And then I've also been using my water painters. This was the most watercolored of the watercolored cards.
I love that one.
And I used all in colors except for the magenta. I thought about adding some magenta on there somewhere so it would just be on there, but I stopped.
It's pretty.
But it also has the
you
velvet
could use
paper.
Magenta for the polka dots, the red on the mushrooms that I see.
Yeah, you could have. I was going for more realistic. I went back and forth whether or not it was going to be a real one or like a Fairyland, and I went for real.
I love it.
It has the velvet paper, which you're going to see some more of that in a minute. Super, super fun. And then the camo, which is part of our class, because I love the camo
and it
stamp.
Matches
and it matches
shirt.
my shirt. See? That's where I got the color combination.
Which you can purchase at Old Navy at Trader's Point.
Yeah, don't go to another one, because then my daughter will get mad.
I didn't know, Carissa.
And then these are the last two that I did. So this Nothing's Better Than is the name of this set. And you can do Nothing's Better Than coffee, chocolate, cocktails,
cookies.
Or cookies.
That's a fun one. I'm anxious to get that
this one was a super simple one. And then this one I used the water painters
I even
on.
like the cocktails on this. I don't drink them,
It took
but
a little bit longer.
I can make some really good-looking cocktails, I bet.
There we go.
I like the camo.
And this one I've also been using, I hoarded the adhesive sheets before they were gone. So I've been using lots of adhesive sheets again because it makes all of the word die. Like we have so many
intricate dies,
and it makes them so like they just go on super fast. And you can use the window sheets without having. If you tried to use the window sheets and you had adhesive, like it just got smucky on it, and nobody wants a smucky window card.
We'll need to do a tutorial on that.
Yes.
Maybe next week. We meet up.
So that was my new stuff.
And I got the, I don't know what it's called.
The lemon box.
The lemon box. We'll call it the lemon box.
It's right here.
It's in the beginner's.
Citrus.
Simply Citrus. Oh. And, sorry. Don't mean to make it.
Susan's running their thing.
That's hilarious. So this is the Just a Note, and I think I did these on my Facebook Live. I can't remember, but I love them. They're gorgeous. I did them just like it suggested, and they have these cute little embellishments that are like their little. Let's see, right? These little right there. A little, they're like almost like a resin vellum kind of, because they're thicker than vellum cardstock. They're hard or they're sturdy, but they're just the cute little flowers, and they give a nice little added accent. And these are just all really pretty. I love the envelopes. I love the envelopes that have
the liner in them.
Mm-hmm. It just makes me feel all fancy. And I don't usually do fancy, but yeah, you're just seeing my boobs, so sorry about that.
And then that was me. I didn't run it like I was supposed to. Sorry.
I hope Facebook doesn't take that down. Oh, well.
Okay, so I did a couple things, and then we're going to show you what we've got planned, what we made with the stuff for our class. Okay, so I played with the goats, too. And I played also with the DSP. It all went together. I worked really hard on this video yesterday. I got super excited about it because I went through the 700 steps to get it all posted. Got it up there, and I got a comment right away, and I got really excited, except the comment was, P.S. you have no sound. So everything came back down.
That's a facepalm every single time.
I know. And so then I played with the whale. I've got some other ideas of what I'm going to do with it. Woohoo! Tanya and I
are not doing so. I mean, Tanya and I are not doing so.
So I've got some more stuff I want to do with the whale. I just didn't get it all done. Then
I'm not going in on this one.
This one is the pretty. I like to run the impression folders through the foil to kind of play with them. And this is the Dainty Diamonds, and it just looks so cool.
It's gorgeous.
I used it on one of my other cards, but you can't see it. And then this is the one that's the oceany one.
The whale.
Yeah.
I didn't even know that one had a folder.
It does. Is that
what is it?
It's like,
is it like
seaweed? Yeah, seaweed and coral.
And it's partly because when you see the whale punch, you think it's kind of cartoony. And that looks all super fancy. No. Especially because it's in the silver.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So, and then we are getting ready to work on this class, and one of the things I wanted to do, one of the things that come in the class are these spots. So you get spots with all the in colors. And I really wanted some, and I didn't have any empty spots. So I wanted to use them when I was using my Stamparatus because I was playing with this. It's not a complete card yet because I was just playing, but I wanted to do all these cute little things with my Stamparatus, and I needed my spots. So if you sign up for a class... So are you going to
leave your chocolate as white chocolate?
No, it's going to be a color. But I was getting fussy because I kept smearing stuff. I got schmutz on it because I didn't have what I wanted, and I was trying to use full-size pads on the little things.
You should do a whole schmutzy.
I got schmutz, yeah. Today was a schmutzy kind of Stampin' Day for me.
Yeah, so I'm really excited about these as part of the class. I'm really excited about them. Really, really, really excited about them. Okay, so what else do they get in the class, and what did we create?
They're going to get ink stamps, not the refill and the ink.
They'll be filled with the ink colors.
Yeah,
they'll be filled with the ink colors.
So then they're also going to get the camo stamp background.
So cute. I love the camo.
And the zoo globe that goes with the snow globe stamp set and dies. And then the hippo happiness and the hippo happiness dies.
And so we sat all this out and decided we would create some different things with it with some of the new product. So this is what we did. I took a little bit of camo, and
this is cool.
It is on the suede paper, and I embossed it in the gold. And then I took those little characters and I punched out the suede and added the little characters in there in the in colors.
It's velveteen, not suede, just so you know.
Oh, it feels like suede. I added the pretty rhinestones, and then that's all the in colors. And the words. Cute. The words are a little hard to see, but the words came from this stamp set, and it's the one at the bottom, and it talks about you're so sweet, so fun, so smart, and so wonderful. So I cut that apart, and that's how I added the words.
Super cute.
So that was one. And then Tanya was over there cutting out the pretty new glimmer paper. And while she wasn't looking, I stole one of the pieces, and that's one of the dies that come in the unicorn set. And then I added a
that's
butterfly.
The whale folder.
That's the whale folder.
Okay. Can you guys see that?
Yeah, you can see it
that way. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the whale folder.
Okay.
Yeah. And then some more of those pretty sequins. So
those are the best sequins I think we've ever had.
Yeah, I love them.
They're really pretty sequins.
Any sequin
and they
with
stick really well.
Any sequin with adhesive on the back already
is my friend.
Yeah.
Well, I know they stick really well because on this cocktail card, not this one. That's my ugly one.
You want to see your ugly one? Let me see your ugly one.
On this one, I did like 2 blues and 2 of the magenta, and I wanted to switch them because I was talking on my video, and when you're talking, you're not paying attention, but I tried to pull it up, and there was no pulling up.
Oh.
So they're that stuck.
That's great.
Because I thought they're just glue dotty. That's the ugly one. It's ugly.
Not ugly.
Yes, it is.
She didn't like the folder that she used.
And it needed black, and it needed the magenta. It was...
Ugly, pretty. Ugly, pretty. Ugly.
At the end of my video, I showed what made it better, and this is definitely better.
I like.
Although this it has like this background with the unicorns because it looks like clouds or cotton candy.
It does.
It doesn't look like it goes with.
Did you use the aqua painters with those?
Of course I did.
Did you
water
put
painters? No, I did.
Oh yeah,
with
sorry.
The lids.
No, cute.
It's really pretty.
And then Tanya made a really pretty card.
Here's because I was cutting out all of the frames, and then I did the little unicorn, and I think you guys can see.
It's really cute.
And then I did a little bit of the sequins, and those are the flowers, and then on the inside I did balloons and confetti.
And the unicorn is stamped in the glimmer paper.
Yeah.
And
so I stamped it with Memento.
And it worked.
Yay! We like when we discover something like that.
Yeah, it's so cute.
And then I used the zoo globe,
which is adorable.
So And the camo.
Super
both.
cute.
And the magenta. And the cord is from the pets. The Playful Pets.
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
Playful Pets and the in color of the Magenta Madness.
Yes.
And the camo background, of course.
We tried to kind of
Because we love camo background.
Well, yeah.
Yes, we do.
And we tried to stick with the in colors, because that's what you're going to get is spots that have in colors in them. So if you're an orderer and you want to spend money on other things and not order all the stamp pads, this is a good alternative. But a lot of the refills are on back
I use
order.
Heather. I use Highland Heather or Gorgeous Grape one. So
It works.
I bucked the...
Well, the glimmer paper doesn't
But
have...
it's gorgeous. And it works with the in colors.
The glimmer paper, the only in color it has in it is the magenta.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
when you use the glimmer paper, it kind of...
I love this paper. These colors, do they not just make you happy?
Yeah,
They're summer.
kidding.
It's like
It's summer
sunshine
colors.
and popsicles and
And unicorns.
unicorns. Oh, look! The unicorn has a little bitty horn. Look. A little horn on his...
Yeah, that's another one of
It's a
those
teeny
dies that
tiny
you're gonna have to
one,
like
but-
attach to a string that attached to your board, or it's gonna be a goner when you use it at an event. Because I'm like, it's gonna be gone.
Okay, well, we were excited to show you that. Sorry we were a little late getting on, but we had some fun things we wanted to
Anybody
get
have
done.
questions? You guys have any questions? Or
So the sign up is, I forget, is it like July 6th, the last day to sign up?
I think that's what we did. And it's on all of our websites. Sherry'sCards.com, thewonderbasement.com, and stampcreatively.com.
Yeah, and we have the details, and we can put a link below, or
We say
the
that
information
sometimes
below.
we forget to do
Because
that.
what happens
but, you know,
is by the time we leave here, then
we're brain dead and we have life to go back to.
It's usually like I stop at the grocery and Susan has an errand, and then she's left with all of our mess. And today, if you could see the mess, like
Don't look.
we've left her
Don't
with
look.
some pileys.
Yeah.
So then we go home and we're like, oh, the next day nobody left a link.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So sorry about that. Remind us.
Yeah.
Remind us. We won't mind.
Yeah, because then one of us will see it.
I painted. This table is going to be my next project. I've got my work table that I painted, and I really like it.
outstanding.
It's beautiful.
I guess we could show them.
I don't know. Can you?
Can you move the Mevo?
Well, sure.
Okay. Close your
I
eyes.
see it?
Close your eyes while you're going on a trip.
Yeah.
Da, ta-da. Okay.
Ooh, yes, you're really going. But the cords are too. There's the pileys.
Here, I'm gonna. Let's see. I can unplug. No, I really can't. I can unplug.
What's it
this
plugged
one.
into the mic?
Yeah. Okay. So
I'll take the mic.
Okay.
I'll be your Vanna.
So, okay, here's the rest of the basement, and look at this mess. Can you see it? I don't know what we're seeing.
I'm watching.
So this is I did this finish, and I love it. Got this paint from
Full circle.
Full Circle Shop here in Mooresville, and it's
There you
Dixie
go,
Belle
I can see
paint.
it.
And I'm
Can
going
you get
to
a close
start.
up of it?
I'm going to. I
If
think
we
I
move
can.
some of the pileys.
Yeah, if we move our stuff. But see, it looks good messy. This is my goal in everything in my house and life, that it looks good messy.
Yeah, it looks good.
See, you go here, looks great.
And it feels nice.
So,
Yeah, it's fantastic.
and you come back over here, and you go, ooh. Boy, that
Well,
needs some help.
you feel like you're in 1960s and you're going to be called to dinner soon.
This is true. Okay, guys, that was kind of. I hope you enjoyed that little
Field trip.
field trip. We will do
Field
some
trip
more of
around the
those.
Wonder Basement.
I think I'll just sign off from here, though. Is that good?
Yep.
So, bye, guys. Thank you, Luli. Thank you. I've got pictures on the how-to, and I'm going to post it, and I'll probably do it on the Wonder Basement, and then also at Full Circle Shop, just because I really like Cindy and Melissa. They're awesome. They're the owners here in Mooresville. So maybe I'll put a link to their Facebook page, too. So,
Well, that's a good idea.
uh-oh.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
We may be off already.
Yeah, we may be.